Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a GIF in Behance. So first of all, you just have to come here on giphy.com. So this is the website where you will find some of the trending GIFs. So among these, you just have to simply select any of the GIFs that you want to basically add to your Behance profile. So for example, let's say I'm going to simply select this one, then click on the option of embed. Over here, you need to make sure that the responsiveness is turned on. You can also make it turn off. Then click on the option of copy code. Now, after doing this, come here on Behance, then hover over to your profile icon, then click on the option of Behance profile. Now, over here, you need to click on the option of create a project. Then among the given options in the right hand section, you can select the option of embed. So after clicking on the option of embed, simply paste the code that we have just copied from Giphy. After doing this, simply click on the option of embed, and there you go, you have successfully added a GIF. You will also see some of its alternatives too, so you can just simply click on that, and this way you will be able to publish the GIF on your project. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.